Honest, I haven't finished the trip planner, this part of this Notion template, but we are going to work on three, which makes me think that I should give you guys a disclaimer. I am in no way trying to teach you how to do it or saying that this is how to do it. I am also learning as I go, as you can see. So since this one it may turn out quite a bit hard for me at the moment, let me show you why. So it had said we create a new database. I did create a database. A database came with this table over here. I guess I don't know how to use the database visually, but you see, when I added this list here, I was so happy because I thought it was only going to affect this page here. But Sasa, the thing is, it's not only affecting the page, it's also affecting HAPAV. Up here, when you come to travel itinerary, you see these options here. But I only wanted these options to be available on this parking list here. So I don't know what exactly I am supposed to do, but I will have to find myself a turnaround. But let us just go into this part. Actually, let's just jump into this part for here. Food passport, track all the cuisines you've had, and country flags, restaurant dishes, and ratings. Because this is so simple. So what we're going to do here, should we add a new page? No, don't add a new page. Ah, Apple. There. We're going to add image, right? So this part here, it acquire images. Like it's going to look fine. So I don't currently have images the food, but we're going to use the images that I have just as an example. So here, this is the image. Unaona vile upload imekaa vizuri. You can come and then you do here more actions and then um so you can caption this like this is Thailand. Inaandika hapo chini Thailand here and then good. I think imeshaandika. Haijaandika. What's going on? Anyway, what I wanted to show you is how you can link something else to this image. So let's say here, for example, let's just assume Nairobi is in Thailand. So you're going to come here, you're going to copy this link over here. And then when you come here, you're going to add link to image. And then when you add the link to image, you can either paste or you can pick from zenye ziko zimesugestiwa hapo. And then now when you click on this, guess what? It's going to take you to Nairobi. See how fun that is? Okay, so back to this. I want us to do more. So let us add another. And just to add another image. So I don't know if we still have to do. I don't know if you have to do this for all images. I'd like to like organize them kidogo. I do upload. I like this one. I just want to explore because baby girl, I do. Okay, and then let's try something new on this one so we already know. Let's try caption. I travel to leave. Yeah, I think that's a good caption. Good. So there goes that caption. Um, you can also crop the image if you want. You can align it then to this. Or you can also have alternate text. So this is good if you're building a website or if you're writing blog posts. That's really good. Alternate text. Okay. We've done caption options, copy link to blog. So you can also copy this link and link it to somewhere else, just like we did it the first time.